classes. I am currently studying for Pulani Higher Secondary School in class 10.
For bilang.
Thank you.
I am currently studying for class.
Karbi Youth Festival to each and everyone present here. My name is Damini Baby. My contestant number 19. I am coming from a beautiful place, Holy Karbi. I am 20 years old. I am pursuing my undergraduation, BA third semester at Dipu Government College. My aim in life is to become a good professor. My hobby is reading books, dancing, and modeling. That's all about me. Thank you. Have a wonderful night.
Share my
kangkrong kangsay laben. Nadang nagsusanggot, pusar-pisar, manting ito kiti-kiti, yung sumar, at umapangguan kami hinihinpit, hindi ko kekahihi, kardirisunin so, rongate at kardong ng majirilo, kardong! Nilimen, sami, rotimarong pipi, nilirong laki, dipurong piso. Nili kasari laki, dipur government college, lapen, nili kite masay laki, apor zorki ahut, Henry, kapangkir, lapen, pusar, nun lang tumbo katatangki, nilisning kehan. Lapen nilikay lo genang laki, misen lo tanggampi. Wanti, cipatilia wanti, ripon ikelo, suru. original trophy. I'm your contestant number 24 from a very beautiful place called TEKELANJUN. I'm 21 years young and currently pursuing my Bachelor of Arts from the Department of History at the Government College. In my free time, I enjoy dancing and crocheting. My ultimate goal is to become a history professor. Last but not least, I'm a person who strongly believes that a beauty pageant is a huge platform or a vast platform where you can showcase your talent, knowledge, and culture. So, I'm here tonight to gain more confidence. Remember, everyone is unique and beautiful in their own way. So, embrace your uniqueness and let it shine. Thank you and have a wonderful night ahead. Kami reservoir DP Laben Miri Artabagi Nikan President Laben Miri Domuka Ahitira Gerani Laben Te Miri Johan Medical College Law First Year MBBS Student Law Laben Te Miri Aponi Dohut Kami Arjan Jaki Miri Ninkahangi Laben Nang Itundang Bahas Kami Ni karong pendak nasin indilma na penanang di kopan ni na sore pune pardon Initially, I wish a very happy 32nd Karbi Youth Festival 2024 and a very warm and pleasant evening to respected judges, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear fellow contestants, and to the organizer of Miss TEKELANJUN 2024. I am Marilyn GP, your contestant number 26, and a proud representative of Jampang Langsong, Rasingja Village, Dimang. And talking about my hobbies, I'm fond of cooking, singing, and listening to music.
you.